Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, dear devotees. Please join us today for Jai Radha Madhav prayers. Hare Krishna. Jai Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari. Jai Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari. आप सबका स्वागत है, आप सबका अभिनंदन है. हरे कृष्णा.
Hari Bol. Dear viewers, Acharya Gaur Madhav,
हरे
Sumo,
कृष्णा.
Rahul Asija, Madan Mohan Reddy, Somnath Sarkar, Rajesh Goyal, Mangal Patil, Jyoti Nagpal, Rajkumar Singh, Ramnath Ray, Tamanna Giri, आलोक बर्मन, गिरीश रंजन. हरे कृष्णा, हरि बोल. आप सबका स्वागत है श्रीमद् भागवतम की नेक्स्ट क्लास ऑन कैंटो 1.
Canto 1, chapter 15. The Pandavas retired timely, where we learn that everything is possible by the grace of the Lord, Lord Shri Krishna. Hare Krishna. Please join us in Banglacharan prayers. We'll do it together. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Mudirye. Shrutam Swakatha Krishna Punya Shamana Kirtanaha Hridayantastohya Bhadrani Vinunoti Suhasatam Nashchaprayeshva Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavatiruttam Shloke Bhaktir Bhakti Neshtaki. Hare Krishna, dear devotees, please join us in the recitation of the first verse. पहले श्लोक को हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. इसमें बहुत ही सुंदर और बहुत ही सिंपल सा पर्पट है. जस्ट वन सेंटेंस. हरे कृष्णा. और आज का फोकस है that everything is possible by the grace of Lord Shri Krishna. When we especially act to please Lord Shri Krishna, so again, it is a reciprocation of Lord Shri. Canto 1, chapter 15. The Pandavas retired timely, verse 1. Sutta uvacha evam Krishna sakah Krishno Bhrataragya vikalpitaha Nana shankaspadam rupam Krishna vishlesha karshitaha. Translation by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami, Srila Prabhupada. Sutta Goswami said, Arjun, the celebrated friend of Lord Krishna, was grief-stricken because of his strong feelings of separation from Krishna. Over and above all, Maharaj Yudhishthir's speculative inquiries. Hare Krishna, purport. Being too much aggrieved, Arjun practically became choked up, and therefore it was impossible for him to reply properly to the various speculative inquiries of Maharaj Yudhishthir. Hare Krishna, dear devotees, please join us for Guru Pranati. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Shrimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gaurvani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshitarine Om Ajnana Timrandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Mukam Karoti Vachalam Pangum Langhayate Girim Yat Kripatadham Vande Shri Gurum Dinataranam Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, dear devotees. So in this chapter, we will be covering 3 major instances which are splitting into 8 lessons. A lot of lessons that we have to cover. So, fasten your seatbelt. This is a wonderful roller coaster ride that we'll be taking. And in the previous class, we studied as how, Yudhishthir Maharaj, he started seeing, after Devashi Narad left, he started seeing the bad omens, right? So this is the picture, right? In Srimad Bhagavatam that shows that Yudhishthir Maharaj is seeing the bad omens where the she-jackal is spitting fire, and people are taking to cheating propensities, and Lord Krishna has left for his abode. And now Arjun is remembering Lord Shri Krishna, and he is remembering as how Lord Shri Krishna, as his friend, as his cousin, as his relative, and as his master, and also charioteer. So again, Lord Krishna was the charioteer of Arjun twice. When the Khandava forest was burned to satisfy and to cure the digestive digestion of Agnidev, the fire god that is there. So again, इस चैप्टर में ब्यूटीफुल लेसन्स हैं जो हम सीखेंगे. ऑल्सो आज हम देख रहे हैं कि भगवान की जो कृपा है, भगवान की जो मर्सी है, भगवान की जो द ग्रेस ऑफ द लॉर्डशिप, एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल. और ये अर्जुन अपने रियलाइजेशन से बता रहे हैं. अर्जुन का जो डिस्पोटेंसी है, जो वो डिसअपॉइंटमेंट है, जो वो एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा है, वो जो डिजेक्शन फील कर रहा है, उसका बॉडी का लस्टर बिल्कुल चला गया. His head is down, his shoulders are drooping, and that's not the form of Arjun. As everybody knew, हर कोई जानता था अर्जुन क्षत्रिय है, he's very proud. गांडीवा वो है उसके पास, दिव्य शस्त्र हैं, अस्त्र शस्त्र हैं. तो उसके जो कुटीर है उसके पास जो दो हैं क्वीवर्स ऑफ एरोस, जिसमें जो एरोस हैं वो अनलिमिटेड एरोस हैं. They continue to stay filled. तो ऐसे में such a great valiant क्षत्रिय, right? Such a chivalrous क्षत्रिय Arjun, he is feeling so down, so low. ये कैसे हो सकता है? तो इतना दुखी, इतना मलिन हालत में दिख रहा है. उसका पूरा बॉडी का जो तेज है वो चला गया है. All that luster is gone away. So ऐसे में when he is in front of युधिष्ठिर महाराज, तो युधिष्ठिर महाराज ने पिछले चैप्टर में हमने पढ़ा था various inquiries, because जब parents, elder brother is like father, right? So when they become anxious, thinking of what bad could have happened, they go on a roller coaster ride. So this also tells us that mind does its works all the time, right? We may be working a little bit now and then, but the mind, as part of the material energy, is constantly engaged, constantly active. And जब हम लोग सोते हैं, even then mind is active. You can imagine. So even when the body sleeps, we are trying to sleep to get some rest. Body को rejuvenate करने. Mind is constantly thinking. Intelligence, constantly thinking of one thing or another, but mind is actually driving the whole chariot of this body. माया दक्षिण प्रकृति सुयते स चराचरम. लॉर्ड कृष्ण कहते हैं भगवद गीता में कि जो माया है वो उनके सर्वेंट की तरह सर्व कर रही है, और बिकॉज ऑफ मटेरियल एनर्जी, माया के कारण ही ये जो वेरियस लिविंग एंटिटीज हैं, दे आर टेकिंग ऑन दिस बॉडीज. एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बॉडीज? चर अचर. द वंस दैट मूव, राइट, लाइक ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैं, dogs, cats, demigods, and so many other, like birds and aquatics, and these are all moving living entities. ये सब चलते हैं, चर हैं. अचर कौन से हुए? Hills हुए, mountains हुए, plants हुए, trees हुए, creepers. They are all stationary at one spot. They don't move. There was a time, yes, mountains used to float in the air, but having committed so many offenses, उनसे इतने ज़्यादा पाप हुए कि they got cursed. तो वो स्टेशनरी हो गए लैंड पे. बट देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन दे हैड विंग्स, बट द विंग्स गॉट कट ऑफ बिकॉज ऑफ कर्सेस, बिकॉज ऑफ उन्होंने उनका जो शास्त्र में दिया है. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई एम रेफरिंग टू. एंड सो अर्जुन जो है बिल्कुल डिजेक्टेड फील कर रहा है, क्योंकि अर्जुन के रिलेशनशिप, ही वाज अ कजिन, यस, जस्ट लाइक युधिष्ठिर महाराज वाज अ कजिन, बिकॉज पृथा, कुंती देवी, क्वीन कुंती was real sister of Vasudeva. Vasudeva and Devaki, they were the parents of Lord Krishna. So Lord Vasudeva Krishna. And here, Kunti is the mother of Pandavas. And all the 5 Pandavas are first cousins of Lord Krishna. Then Arjun was almost the same age as Lord Shri Krishna. So same age के कारण they were in a friendly relationship. बहुत ही एक दूसरा ख्याल रखते थे. Used to joke around, embrace each other. So ऐसे में Lord Krishna, he would take on, he would be very benevolently disposed towards Arjun. always seeking his welfare. And usko unhone kaise show kiya? He became the charioteer of Arjun. He was the messenger of the Pandavas many times. And on top of that, he married his sister, his dear sister Subhadra to Arjun, right? So जब हमने 10th canto cover किया था उसमें वो past time भी discuss किया था. So they were, they were very close. So when Arjun went to Dwarka, he didn't just go as a friend or as a cousin. He went as a Jija of Lord Krishna, right? Brother-in-law of Lord Krishna. And जब जीजा अपने ससुराल जाता है, so he gets all kind of, attention, right? He's respected all. So when he comes back to his home, everyone is looking, what all gifts have you brought, and how was your trip, and Jija means the brother-in-law normally glorifying, oh, I was treated so well in this, but here Arjun is coming. जब अर्जुन आया तो बहुत दुखी हालत में आया. तो everyone is thinking क्यों हुआ? तो युधिष्ठिर महाराज ने बहुत रीजन दिए. किसी ने तुमसे कोई कठोर शब्द कह दिए क्या? किसी ने तुम्हें प्रॉपर रिस्पेक्ट नहीं दिया क्या? तुम अपना धर्म नहीं निभा पाए? तुम्हारे को कोई इनअप्रोप्रिएट तरीके से कोई लेडी ने अप्रोच किया? दैट वाज अधर्म, which is a brahman. For Kshatriya, you cannot marry a brahman lady or daughter of a brahman. Because Uttama is a Kshatriya can marry a Kshatriya, daughter of a Kshatriya, or daughter of a Vaishya, or daughter of a Shudra. That is Uttama. So the wife should be from a same or lower caste. So again, that is from the Varna, not the caste system of India. We should not get confused. Because Chatur Varna Maya Shatam Guna Karma Vibhagasha. So the Varnas are defined not based on birth, but based on the qualities and the activities of a person. So Arjun is in this state that उसका voice is choked up, उसका आवाज नहीं निकल रही है, उसका गला भरा हुआ है, और फिर वो constantly क्या कर रहा है? वो meditate कर रहा है. तो finally he mustered some strength, उसने collect किया अपने आप को, compose किया, and then अपने भाई और जो बाकी पांडवस brothers हैं, जो भीमसेन हैं, नकुल सहदेव हैं, और युधिष्ठिर महाराज के इंक्वायरी को उसने रिस्पॉन्ड करना शुरू किया. और उसने कहा कि लॉर्ड कृष्ण, राइट, ही इज नॉट देयर, ही हैज रिटर्न बैक. सो ही caused this with his mystic inconceivable potency the arrangement that he returned back home. तो devotees जब ऐसे में जब भगवान वापस चले गए तो इसलिए भी दुखी होते हैं because he is a devotee of the Lord, right? So वो इसलिए भी दुखी हो रहा है कि भगवान अब खुद तो गए, मेरे को छोड़ गए, राइट? उद्धव का भी यही फीलिंग था कि लॉर्ड कृष्ण आप जा रहे हैं तो मैं भी आपके साथ चलता हूँ. लॉर्ड कृष्ण कहते हैं नहीं, यू टेक दिस मैसेज टू बद्रिकाश्रम. Nar Narayan Rishi, I did not get the chance to meet them and give this message, so you take my message. तो उद्धव was also very much grieved, बहुत दुखी हो गया था कि भगवान जा रहे हैं, सारे एसोसिएट्स को लेके जा रहे हैं, सारे यादव जो मैन हैं उनको लेके जा रहे हैं, और मेरे को नहीं लेके जा रहे. ये कैसे हो सकता है? Well, of course, Lord, along with not just the men, he takes his parents, Vasudeva, Devaki, and Ugrasen, and so many other personalities with him, including his wives. तो वो भी reveal होगा. तो अर्जुन is constantly thinking of Lord Shri Krishna. तो उसको past times याद आते हैं. तो बोलता है कि it was only because of Lord Krishna I was able to do what I was able to do. Everything जो भी हम लोग करते हैं, भगवान कृष्ण कहते हैं भगवद गीता में, पौरुषम विषय. So I am the ability man. What does that mean? I am the ability man. So हमें जो भी capabilities हैं, जो भी हम कुछ कर सकते हैं, actually we have received it from Lord Shri Krishna. So we should be very careful how we use the gift, because these gifts जो हमको capabilities मिली हैं, जो भी हमारे पास strength है, जो भी हमारे पास skills हैं, जो भी हमारे को experience मिलता है, ये भगवान की कृपा से मिलता है, and should be used to please Lord Shri Krishna. That is the most important aspect. that जो भी हमारे पास है, हमारे शरीर है, हमारे मन है, हमारा जो भी belongings, everything is meant to please Lord Shri Krishna. So Arjun is identifying that, and Srila Prabhupada in the purport is saying that Lord Krishna, he is the vital principle, right? In this universe, he is the vital principle because he is the cause of Brahman, He is the cause of Paramatma. And when there is Paramatma in the body, then only jivas can be present and the body can function. So to sustain the jivas in the body, Paramatma is there. Actually, Paramatma never leaves the jiva. So super soul is always with the living entity. So from that perspective, he is sustaining us. Brahman is sustaining us. And we are in the body, which is the body is given to us by the material energy. So this needs to be understood, because material consciousness is seeking sense gratification, trying to enjoy, sensually, seeking sensual pleasures, while Krishna consciousness is seeking Lord Krishna's pleasure, making, pleasing Lord Shri Krishna, making efforts to please and serve with love, with devotion, Lord Shri Krishna. And so materialists are trying to do this to become happy, but they become more anxious, they become more frustrated, they become more disappointed. We talked about Pavarga, right? Bhavama. Right? Pa is for Parishram. They have to engage in hard labor to gain wealth so that they can enjoy. When they engage in this hard labor, what happens? Fena. When a horse, you make it run a long distance, the foam starts forming in its mouth. So that's what happens with us. If we are engaging, people who are seeking to work hard to enjoy sensually, then they start to foam, right? They get tired in the body, the foam happens, the fena, that is fena. And then from fena comes the next step, where there is where is disappointment, because one becomes bewildered, disappointed कि इतना सारा effort किया लेकिन परिश्रम का फल ज़्यादा नहीं मिला, because we are serving miserly people in this world. तो miserly people, जो कंजूस होंगे वो आपको कैसे रिटर्न करेंगे? वो आपके अंदर त्रुटियां निकाल के रीजन ढूंढते हैं ताकि आपको प्रॉपर जो आपका लेबर का जो रिटर्न है वो मिले नहीं. So they try to find negativity. They find to say, oh, you have this fault, you did not do this one, that's why I'll take 50% away. You did not do that, I'll take 25% away. You did not do that, I'll take another 10% away. Well, you should have taken care of this factor, I'll take another 10% away. Basically, people get 5% instead of the 100% labor that they did. So there's a 5:100. That's like 1/20th of what you provide, and that's the return you're getting, which is not justified. So they get disappointment, and then disappointment bha comes, right? Bha is for disappointment, and then bha is for bhaya. One becomes fearful. So that is also very important. So ba means birth tha, which means disappointment, and then finally bha means bhaya, which is fear. So one becomes very fearful, and in that fearful state, he is sometimes, if he is lucky, he gets the association of the devotees. He is awakened in his consciousness and switches the board. He goes from material consciousness to spiritual consciousness. But if he is not intelligent in the previous stages to realize, he is not so lucky, right? He is not taking shelter of Lord Shri Krishna, then finally he attains Ma, which is Mrityu. Ma stands for Mrityu. So Pavarga is, trying to seek material enjoyment with material consciousness, and that anxiety finally leading to Mrityu, and then further falling down, in Pap Yoni. Pap Yoni mein gira jata hai, and then living like dogs, cats and hogs, and further suffering in hellish planets. So in the third canto we will be studying those. But in Krishna consciousness, one is serving Lord Shri Krishna. He is getting the blessings of Lord Shri Krishna. So everything is possible. Now Arjuna is showing us by his example, by his realization, how everything was possible. And that is Apavarga, which is liberation from the punishment of material existence. Apavarga. Pavarga, material consciousness. So the result of material consciousness is anxiety, fall down. Krishna consciousness, Apavarga, leads to liberation, which is, to get bliss and finally get liberated from the three modes of material nature while being in this body. So again, this is also an important lesson, that we in Krishna consciousness can spiritualize our existence. We are in this world, not of this world. So we understand that aspect. But then people say, I am a spiritual being having material experience. That is material consciousness. If you are a spiritual being, we should have spiritual experience. That is Krishna consciousness. And in devotional service, everything is blissful, everything is auspicious. Right? So here he is starting to identify the various incidents. So first he starts with Khandava forest. The burning of Khandava forest, because once, and we'll be elaborately discussing this in the 10th canto. So I'm just giving you like a glimpse. So this chapter happens to be like a big trailer, big, pointers to the great details that would come up later in Srimad Bhagavatam. So when Agni Dev, he was feeling, not feeling well, his digestive system was upset. So he said, there are herbs in the Khandava forest, so could you help me? So he approached Lord Krishna and Arjun. At that time, Lord Krishna became first time the charioteer of Arjun. And they fought with who? Indradev. Why? Because every time Agnidev was trying to burn the Khandava forest, Indradev would cause the rainfall. Why would Indradev cause the rainfall? Because Takshak, his friend, was staying there. Right? Takshak is also cousin of Indra, right? Kadru's sons. And the father is same Kashyapa Muni. So Indra's father, is also Kashyapa Muni, and Takshak's father is also Kashyapa Muni. So, and they were cousins and friends, just like Krishna and Arjuna are friends. So Agnidev was not able to fix the upset stomach scenario. So he approached Lord Krishna and Arjuna, and so Arjuna fought with Indradev. So that, and he covered the Khandava forest with the veil of his arrows. And so at that time, Agnidev, he burned, and finally he was satisfied. So he gave his chariot to Arjuna. And on top of that, there was one interesting incident happens, which is that Lord Krishna, seeing that Mayadana is there in the forest, he throws his Sudarshan Chakra. Now in the Puranas it is very nicely described that Sudarshan Chakra was to make Mayadana fearful of the fire so that he will come out to, in that situation and take shelter of Arjuna. So that was Lord's arrangement. So it's also very important to understand, because Rakhe Krishna Mare Krishna Rakhe. If Lord Krishna wants to kill anyone, who can save him? And if Lord Krishna wants to save anyone, who can kill him? So here, Arjun, he saves Mayadana, because it comes to his attention that Mayadana is fearing Sudarshan and the fire of the forest. So he saves. So here, Srila Prabhupada is identifying that a devotee is even more merciful than the Lordship. That's why Vaishnava Seva, right? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is revealing to Sanatana Goswami three important aspects, which is the true dharma for this age. Namaruchi, Jivodaya, Vaishnava Seva. But when we engage in Vaishnava Seva, automatically we become compassionate. Jivodaya aati hai hamare. We become compassionate towards each other. We become compassionate towards all living entities, not just human beings, but also animals, birds, insects, and so forth, and the plants, of course. And then Namruchi, in the association of devotees, of course, Namruchi, the attraction towards the chanting of the holy name, which starts developing, so we can quickly advance by the blessings of Vaishnavas. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So Arjun received, and also Bhima, he received the Gada. So Mayadana, he wanted to reciprocate to Arjun for having saved his life. At that time, Lord Krishna said, Arjun, you should ask for something. And being encouraged by Lord Shri Krishna, Arjun asked for the assembly hall. So it was the assembly hall that Mayadana built, which was so opulent that many neighboring princes and the kings, they immediately were so impressed that they accepted the guardianship of Yudhishthira Maharaj. So Yudhishthira Maharaj became famous as Ajat Shatru, one who has no enemy, because people were, immediately taking him to be their, ruler. Now, interestingly, Yudhishthira Maharaj did not ever consider anyone as his enemy. That's also a meaning of Ajat Shatru. Even though Duryodhana was envious, Yudhishthira Maharaj was never. And because this assembly hall was built, Devashi Narad visited, thinking it to be the opportune moment. बिल्कुल सही टाइम पे देवर्षि नारद सही जगह पे सही पात्र से मिलते हैं. तो इस समय युधिष्ठिर महाराज के पास आके उन्होंने कहा कि पांडु जो है वो यमराज के असेंबली में है और वो सफर कर रहे हैं, वो बोल रहे हैं कि आप उनको रिलीव करिए. तो युधिष्ठिर महाराज बोलते हैं कैसे उनको रिलीव कर सकता हूँ, बताइए. तो फिर देवर्षि नारद रिवील करते हैं कि हरिश्चंद्र ने भी ऐसे ही एक यज्ञ किया था, राजसूय यज्ञ. We should perform that. तो राजसूय यज्ञ by the mercy of Lord Shri Krishna perform किया जा रहा है. तो Arjun is remembering all these pastimes, right? All these pastimes of Lord Shri Krishna. And Lord Krishna ने क्या सर्विस ली थी राजसूय यज्ञ में? To welcome all the guests. So he would have the brahmanas sit and he would himself wash the lotus feet of the brahmanas. And brahmanas were, all these rishi munis who were visiting, they were surprised, but understanding that Lord has taken that service, they would accept. While they are meditating, they are worshipping Lord in their heart. So you can imagine, Lord Krishna is so merciful, so compassionate, right? So this is where Arjuna is remembering. And then in the Rajasuya, everybody understood that the first person who should be worshipped, who should be glorified is Lord Shri Krishna. So he was worshipped at Rajasuya sacrifice. And there were great, valiant warriors, very valiant personalities, even from the heavenly planets personalities have come. And still it was Lord Shri Krishna who was worshipped. और उसके बाद में जब राजसूय यज्ञ करना है, लेकिन उससे पहले एक और इंसिडेंट हुआ था. What was this incident? Rajasuya yajna could not be performed unless King Jarasandha is killed, right? So at that time, Krishna, Arjun and Bhimsen, they took the form of, they put on the dress of Brahmanas and went to the Magad state, which is Bihar today. So there, Jarasandha was the king. Now Jarasandha, in his previous life, was Viprachitti. He was a demon, and again, Prajapati Kashyapa Muni, his and Danu's sons. So the wife is Danu, their son, and he was a demon. Just like Hiranyakashipu and Hiranyaksh, they were demons, right? So he was actually a Viprachitti. He was a planetary portion of Viprachitti, just like it is said that Uddhav was a planetary portion of one of the Vasus. So that has been revealed. And King Brihadatta, now as Arjun says this, Srila Prabhupada, he reveals in his purport the history of Jarasandha. So King Brihadatta, he had two wives, they were the daughters of the king of Kashi. And from any of his wives, he could not get a son. So he was very despondent again. He was very down. He wants a son. And, one of the important aspects in a marriage, you should have kids. Otherwise, the family is not complete. So husband and wife, when they marry, they should have children to take care of. And yet at the same time, Shastras say that we should not get children just like animals do. Rather, we should perform Garbdhan Samskar. We should follow the ritualistic ceremony so that we invite an elevated soul to take on the form of child in our family. This is very important. Now here, Brihadatta, he, along with his two wives, he was in the jungle, he was performing austerities, and it was by good fortune that he happened to visit a rishi, a great rishi. And by the blessing of the rishi, he received a mango. The rishi said, give it to your wife, and then she will bear a very powerful, very, तेजस्वी, very opulent son. तो उसको बहुत ये आम अपनी पत्नी को खिलाइए, तो उसको बहुत ही तेजस्वी, बहुत ही पराक्रमी पुत्र की आपको प्राप्ति होगी उसके थ्रू. अब सब लोग रामायण की स्टोरी जानते हैं, राइट? जब महाराज दशरथ ने यज्ञ किया था तो उसमें भी एक मैंगो आया था, तो उन्होंने उसका एक पीस काट के कौशल्य को दिया, एक पीस केकई को दिया, और जो गुटली के साथ में जो साइड की कवरिंग थी वो उन्होंने सुमित्रा को दी. तो लॉर्ड राम appeared as son of Kaushalya. Bharat appeared as son of Kekai, and Lakshman and Shatrughna, they appeared as sons of Sumitra. So this king, thinking that okay, he has two wives, the sage wasn't aware that he has two wives. So he cut the mango in half, gave one half to one wife, second half to another wife. Both became pregnant. Everyone was jubilant, everyone was rejoicing, festivities were everywhere. But when the babies were born, it was a shocking incident. Why? Because the baby from each of the wife was half baby. One eye, one nostril, half of the mouth, one ear, one arm and shoulder, one leg. So it was shocking and it appeared dead. So he just asked, the maid servants to throw them in the jungle. So now the maid servants threw those babies in the jungle, and there was a demoness, Jara. She could smell fresh blood and flesh. So she came smelling, what is this? She saw two half portions of a baby. So she was surprised, yet at the same time jubilant, like I'll have a great breakfast today. But being curious, she joined it. So the moment she joined the two halves, the baby came to life. Now that the baby came to life, and even a demoness has a soft heart. Looking at a sweet baby crying out, for in this state, she could not muster the courage to eat the baby. तो उसको इतना प्रेम था उसके दिल में कि वो उस बेबी को जो एकदम से जोड़ते ही दोनों हाफ को, जैसे उसने बेबी के हाफ को जोड़ा तो एकदम से अलाइव हो गया. तो जो बेबी था वो इतना मासूम, इतना प्यारा, ये देख के उसका दिल नहीं करा कि मैं इस बेबी को खा सकती हूँ. तो वो लेके बेबी को किंग के पैलेस में गई, किंग बृहद्रथा के पैलेस में, और उनको बताया कि आपका पुत्र है. दोनों पोर्शन को मैंने जोड़ा तो ये इस तरह से जीवित हो उठा, came back to life. So Bradratha was very happy. Then he said, ask for something, ask for a boon. Then Jara said, okay, name your child after me. That's why Jarasandh का नाम क्या है? Jarasandh, the one who was brought together by Jara, demoness Jara. So उसका नाम Jarasandh, वो बहुत ही पराक्रमी था. He was a शिव भक्त, जैसे रावण शिव भक्त था. And so श्रील प्रभुपाद कहते हैं कि बहुत सी बार डीमंस होते हैं ना, they become शिव भक्त, वो भगवान शिव के भक्त भी बन जाते हैं. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि सारे भक्त भगवान शिव के डीमन है, ये मतलब नहीं निकालिए उसका. Because they are great Vaishnavas who are his devotees, right? Kartikeya, his son, is his devotee. Ganesh, right? Lord Vinayak, he is Lord Shiva's devotee. So again, and yes, Ganesh is also a devotee of Dasimadev. So again, proper understanding रखना चाहिए. Just because someone is Shiva's devotee doesn't mean, he is a demon. Yes, Lord Shiva has many of his associates who are hobgoblins, ghosts, petas, पिशाचस, वेतास, ये सब हैं. लेकिन बहुत सारे great personalities, also are his devotees. Shripad Shankaracharya, he was an expansion of Lord Shiva, right? Or he was also a worshipper of Lord Shiva. Durvasa Muni, an expansion of Lord Shiva and also a worshipper of Lord Shiva. So these are great personalities. And Durvasa Muni को तो Queen Kunti ने खुद serve किया था and received boon. Radha Rani ने, Mother Radha, she served Durvasa Muni and got a benediction from Durvasa Muni. क्या benediction था? कि she can make a brand new preparation that has never been made. So, and that would be very pleasing to the person. And of course, she wants to please Lord Krishna. So this boon was very helpful because Radharani would cook new kind of dishes, new entrees, you can say, and to serve Lord Shri Krishna. So Yashoda Mai, she knew Radharani has this boon from Durvasa Muni. She would call Radharani, come cook in my kitchen. So that's why a kitchen in every house where we have deities is said to be Radharani's kitchen. So we should be keeping it very clean, very austere. And it is amazing just by, the mood of serving. She blesses us so that all the offerings that we make to the Lordship, जो भी भोगा तैयार करते हैं, भगवान को offer करते हैं, it is out of this world. It is transcendental. That's all I can say. राइट. सो ऐसे में जो जरासंध था वो महाभैरव यज्ञ करता था. उसमें जो किंग्स जो उनको वो विन ओवर करता था, ही वाज कलेक्टिंग 10,000 किंग्स सो दैट वो उसमें उनकी सेक्रीफाइस करेगा. ये भी पता था इन लोगों को. तो लेकिन राष्ट्रीय यज्ञ तब तक नहीं हो सकता जब तक जरासंध नहीं हो सकता. Arjun is revealing that it was only because of Krishna we were able to kill Jarasandha. Now how? We'll discuss when we come to that topic in 10th canto. Many of you already know the story, so that's okay. Or Draupadi, right? She was also saved by the mercy of Lord Shri Krishna. जब उसका स्वयंवर हो रहा था द्रौपदी का, at that time Karna was there and Drishtadhyumna, she appointed to Drishtadhyumna that don't let Karna, win this competition, which was looking down in the reflection of the fish. The warrior has to penetrate the eye of the fish. So Karna, as soon as he woke up, arose. Drishtadhyumna said, "No, you cannot take part in. You're a son of a Shudra." Even though he was son of Kunti, it was not known to everyone at that time. So that is why he could not participate. And Drupad had made this arrangement that only Arjun or Krishna could be successful. And Arjun was there, so in a Brahman form, and he was able to win over. But at the same time, he was attacked, right? All the Pandavas were attacked when they won. Karna, along with Duryodhana and many other kings, they attacked, saying that he cannot take away Draupadi. Many personalities like Jayadratha, he wanted to win Draupadi, but he lost. He could not penetrate the eye of the fish. वो मछली की आँख को नहीं भेद सका जयद्रथा. तो he was constantly meditating. So again, material consciousness. He was constantly meditating on Draupadi. And while Pandavas, they were successful in killing Jarasandha. Finally, were able to. उन्होंने जरासंध को मारने के बाद में राष्ट्रीय यज्ञ किया. और राष्ट्रीय यज्ञ में भी सारी ऑस्टेरिटी, सारा सक्सेसफुल क्यों हो पाया? भगवान कृष्णा की ब्लेसिंग के कारण, उनके ग्रेस के कारण, उनकी मर्सी के कारण, उनकी कृपा के कारण राष्ट्रीय सैक्रिफाइस सक्सेसफुल हो पाया. वहाँ पे थोड़ा डिस्टर्बेंस भी हुआ शिशुपाल के कारण, बट दैट वाज आल्सो टेकन केयर ऑफ बाय लॉर्ड श्री कृष्ण. तो इस तरह से भगवान कृष्ण की प्रेजेंस है. उसके बाद में दुर्योधन बिकेम एनवियस, राइट? And जब दुर्योधन became jealous और उसने द्युत का जो छल किया, right? He invited Pandavas for gambling, and in that case he cheated to win over everything, including Draupadi. And at that time, Karna and other kings, they were calling her various names. So again, we won't go into those details. लेकिन ऐसे में क्या हुआ? जब कर्ण ने encourage किया, दुशासन को बोला था, he said कि bring her, pulling her by here. So Dushasan did not follow Duryodhan. Duryodhan said yes, bring Draupadi to the assembly hall, but to pull her by the hair was the instruction given by Karna. Karna के अंदर दो personalities हैं, समझना चाहिए. एक तो है is a portion of Vivaswan, the sun god, and दूसरा है दंभोद्भव राक्षस. हमने कर्ण की स्टोरी भी कवर करी है, और फिर जब 10th canto पे आएंगे तो we'll again cover it. तो जो दंभोद्भव राक्षस is a demon, so that is invoking all these inauspicious acts ये कर रहा है. तो दुशासन when he start to dethrone, right, चीर हरण करने की जब कोशिश करी द्रौपदी का, it was Lord Krishna who saved her by providing an unlimited supply of sari, so cloth, so that way she was not insulted in the assembly hall. Or it was because of Lord Shri Krishna that people who were in that assembly hall, their life was reduced, which includes Dronacharya and Bhishma Dev. They did not speak, against all this injustice. और फिर अर्जुन कह रहा है कि ऐसे में after taking care of, when we were in the jungle, right, जब अज्ञातवास में, जब वनवास और अज्ञातवास मिला, 12 years in the jungle, and then उसके बाद में 1 year as a incognito अज्ञातवास, किसी को पता नहीं लगे, इस तरह से 1 साल बिताना। अगर नहीं बिता पाया तो फिर से 12 साल का वनवास और उसके बाद में 1 साल का अज्ञातवास होगा। सो दिस साइकिल विल गो ऑन टिल दे सक्सेसफुली अज्ञातवास में रह सके। और ऐसे में दुर्योधन ने एक बार दुर्वासा मुनि जब आए अपने 10,000 शिष्यों के साथ उनको बहुत आदर सत्कार किया। दुर्वासा मुनि ने कहा कि वत्स मांगो, क्या मांगते हो, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बोन डू यू वांट। उस समय दुर्योधन ने क्या कहा, उसने कहा कि आप तो मेरे यहाँ आए हैं, अब आप मेरे भाई युधिष्ठिर महाराज से भी मिलिए। और ये उसकी ट्रिक थी, सो दैट युधिष्ठिर महाराज के पास जब तक पहुंचेंगे द्रौपदी खाना खा चुकी होगी, और अक्षय पात्र जो उनको सन गॉड से मिला था विवस्वान से, उसमें अनलिमिटेड फूड आ सकता है तब तक जब तक द्रौपदी नहीं खाए। जैसे द्रौपदी ने अपना भोजन कर लिया, देन देयर वोंट बी एनी मोर टिल द नेक्स्ट टाइम दैट दे विल सिट। जब दूसरी बार बैठेंगे जब बाद में, तब फिर से खाना उसमें होगा। तो ऐसे में जब दुर्वासा मुनि आए, और तो उस समय युधिष्ठिर महाराज ने कहा आप अपने आफ्टरनून की ऑब्लेशंस वगैरह कंप्लीट करिए, नहा के आइए, तब तक हम तैयार करते हैं। बट ही वॉज वेरी एंशियस कि अब कैसे होगा, अक्षय पात्र में तो अब खाना नहीं है क्योंकि द्रौपदी ने खाना खा लिया। ऐसे में भगवान कृष्ण आए, वो द्रौपदी से बोलते हैं मुझे भूख लग रही है। बाय हिज मर्सी ही इन्वोल्व। द्रौपदी ने कहा मैं कैसे दे सकती हूँ भगवान, सब तो खत्म हो गया, मैंने खाना खा लिया, अक्षय पात्र में अब खाना नहीं है, देयर इज नो मोर फूड, इट्स प्रोड्यूस्ड इन अक्षय पात्र बिकॉज आई हैव जस्ट ईटन, इट विल बी द नेक्स्ट टाइम इन द नाइट दैट इट विल बी देयर। भगवान कृष्ण कहते जस्ट ब्रिंग इट टू मी, जस्ट शो मी। So she brought that Akshay Patra, that vessel, and Bhagavan Krishna saw little vegetable and rice, couple of grains of rice, so he picked it up and he ate it. It was mercy of Lord Shri Krishna. Just by eating that, all the sages, Durvasa Muni and all his 10,000 disciples, they were fully sumptuous. Now Bhagavan Krishna said to Bhimsen, go. Bhimsen, go and call Durvasa Muni and his disciples. When Bhimsen was there, seeing Bhimsen coming, the sages decided, अरे भीमसेन आ रहा है, अगर हम बोलेंगे हमारा पेट भर गया तो गुस्सा हो जाएगा. They must have prepared so much of prasad, right? After making an offering to the Lordship, this prasad हम अगर नहीं खा पाएंगे तो गुस्सा हो जाएगा. So they literally ran away. The Vasa Muni and his 10,000 disciples, because they did not want to come. It was by mercy of Lord Shri Krishna, by his grace, भगवान की कृपा के कारण उस समय दुर्वासा मुनि और के श्राप से भी बच गए, और बाद में अज्ञातवास में भी भगवान कृष्ण के ही कारण बच रहे. इट वॉज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ लॉर्ड श्री कृष्ण कि वो जब विराट राज में थे, कि वहां पे इनकॉग्निटो थे, अर्जुन became the charioteer of the prince, right? विराट राज के जो प्रिंस था उसका चैरिटियर बन के गया, और इनकॉग्निटो ही डिफीटेड. So, जो प्रिंस था वो बहुत ही डरपोक था, कावर्ड था. तो अर्जुन कहता है कि it was only because of Lord Shri Krishna I was able to defeat the whole Kuru army at that time and retrieve the cows of the Virat kingdom. And on top of that I was able to take the jewels in the cloth and give it to Uttara. Uttara was his student. He was the dance teacher of Uttara as an inner. So at that time, Arjun, he decided that my son Abhimanyu, I'll marry this girl, this nice girl, to my son Abhimanyu. So Arjun is remembering all these pastimes and he's saying कि बाद में जब कुरुक्षेत्र पे there was this war, it was like an ocean. There were great warriors, right? Here in this picture, it's appearing like the ocean. The Kauravas army had great warriors on their side. Bhishma Pitama hai, Dronacharya hai, Karna hai, and Bhurishrava hai, Jayadratha hai. So many valiant warriors are there. It was like an ocean, but he was able to cross. He was able to defeat all of them successfully, and it was only by the mercy of Lord Shri Krishna who became his charioteer. Bhagwan Krishna, he is also thinking that what kind of friend am I? What kind of relative am I? कैसा मैं दोस्त हूँ? मैंने उनको charioteer, अपने servant की तरह employ किया. But he is so magnanimous. So this is the love of God. It is भाव है इस लव. भगवान जो है हमारे हृदय का भाव जानते हैं,
अर्जुन
तो अर्जुन का वो सारथी भी बने, राइट? सारथी इज लाइक अ सर्वेंट पोजीशन, सो ही एक्सेप्टेड भगवान कृष्णा इज always willing to share all his glories with his devotees, not with materialists. Material consciousness, frustration. Krishna consciousness, all bliss. Material consciousness, no sense gratification. Seeking sense gratification, yes. Moving target, yes. But no happiness. It's all anxiety, poverty we talked about. All disappointment, hard labor, fearfulness, and finally death. So giving up the body. This human body is a very rare. It is a great blessing. हम लोगों को जो मानव शरीर मिलता है मनुष्य का, ये बहुत ही रेयर गिफ्ट है. इसको भी प्रॉपरली यूज करना चाहिए, अदरवाइज मटेरियल कॉन्शियस में विल स्पॉइल इट. जबकि कृष्णा कॉन्शियस में वी स्पिरिचुअलाइज इट एंड वी हैव स्पिरिचुअल एक्सपीरियंस. लाइक अर्जुन इज रिवीलिंग सच वंडरफुल वेज. वो अर्जुन सेज के in my very same body I was able to go to heavenly kingdom. मैं इंद्रलोक जा सका. इसी शरीर में मैं इंद्रलोक में गया. और इंद्रदेव जो कि उसके पिता हैं, seminal father, so he is a seminal son of Indra, so उन्होंने मुझे half raised seed दिया. भगवान कृष्ण is the supreme personality of Godhead, so he would be treated like that. इंद्रदेव would worship. लेकिन अर्जुन है तो मनुष्य, Kunti is from human race, so he received a half race seat. Even though that was the case, Indradev, he took shelter of Arjun. क्यों? क्योंकि संहलाद, प्रहलाद के जो यंगर ब्रदर थे, उनके 30 मिलियन सन्स थे. निवाट कवच, और वो रसातल में रहते थे. रसातल में हिरण्यपुर, Hiranyam is gold. So Hiranyapuram is a city of gold. So in Rasatal, which is in the lower planetary system, नीचे के planet हैं Rasatal, Talatal and Sutal. लेकिन वहाँ हिरण्यपुर में they had become very powerful. And Indradev, he is the king of the demigods. He was to rule and administer, all planetary systems. लेकिन he was always fearful कि ये जो संहलाद के पुत्र हैं, the family members are like 30 million. एक जगह पे पुराणों में रेफरेंस आता है कि 40 crores. That is 4 billion. So even higher, right? So that is like, the population had grown from 30 million sons of Kashyap, of Samhalad, younger brother of Prahlad. They had grown and their family members had expanded. They had gone to the level of 4 billion family members at Hiranyapur's Rasatal. अब ऐसे में when they tried to attack King Indra, Agnidev, Vayudev, no one could defeat them. क्यों? Because they had received a boon. So they approached Indradev. He approached Lord Brahma. He said, how can I defeat these demoniac sons of Hiranyakashipu? Samhalad, the younger brother of Prahlad, during the reign of Prahlad Maharaj, they had become very powerful. So ऐसे में he took shelter of Arjun by the mercy of Lord Shri Krishna. He said that I got this opportunity, and even Indradev took shelter of my shoulder, of my arm, which is holding this Gandiva bow and the divine weapons. And they gave there all the demigods. Because of Lord Shri Krishna, they gave me their divine weapons. और फिर अर्जुन इंद्र के रथ पे चढ़ के, मातली इज द चैरिटियर ऑफ इंद्र, उसके रथ पे चढ़ के उसने अटैक किया ऑन रसातल, राइट? एंड जब हिरण्यपुर पे जाके उसने अटैक किया तो ही वाज शॉक्ड टू सी दैट हिरण्यपुर इज मोर ऑपुलेंट देन इंद्रलोक. So he defeated the army and then he came back and was singing glories of Hiranyapur in Rasatal. When Indra heard the glories that Rasatal mein, the cities are more opulent than his cities, the assemblies are more opulent than his assemblies. So of course he did not like that. Sometimes it happens, right? People, he's like, I am on a higher planetary system and they have better facilities. So he asked Arjun to attack again this time, and he gave his Vajra, his thunderbolt weapon, and Lord, Shiva's weapon. So Lord Shiva's blessing was also there with Arjun. And this time he had to attack to destroy the city. See, he already defeated the army. So the second attack was to destroy the opulence of a city. So sometimes in pride, because of like a status, sometimes Indradev, and he's a devotee of Lord, they can also cause such action. This is somewhat material consciousness. But again, it was sanctioned by Lord Shri Krishna, so it was okay for Arjun to act, because Arjun would only act as per the wish of Lord Shri Krishna. So he sanctioned that. And that is to show the world that material consciousness में कोई भी progress करोगे, it will fall down to ashes. And इससे reference में बहुत interesting analogies दिए हैं. So, which is like putting clarified butter on ashes. अगर आप clarified butter fire में डालोगे तो fire becomes strong. But if you put it on ashes, how can it become strong? That is the case of material consciousness. There is constant frustration, even coming from the Devtas, right? There are three kind of places. Adi Devik is the one that is coming from the Devtas in the form of tsunamis, the pandemics, the floods, and all these things. So this was an Adi Devik anxiety that at Rasatal, even the sons of the family members of Samla, they had to face. And the whole city was destroyed, completely annihilated by Arjun. They tried different delusions to scare off Matali, the chariot driver of Indra, who was taking Arjun and who was part of his fighting and destroying the city. Yet at the same time, Arjun saved Matali as well as he destroyed the whole city. He came back and received great boons from the demigods, got their divine weapons that he was able to use while fighting, right? With when he was fighting with the Kuru's army, when they had attacked Virat Raj to take away his numerous cows. That was the purpose. So again, the wealth is in the form of grains and cows. That's what has been identified. The wealth is, you can't eat nuts and bolts. You can't eat gold and silver. What you need to nourish your body is cows and some land, so that you can have vegetables, you can have grains, you can have proper food to nourish the body. So these two items are very essential. Again, it has been identified. And he is saying that when at the battle of Kurukshetra, Lord Krishna was my chariot driver. I employed him as my chariot driver, but this is the mercy of Lord Krishna. He is Bhakta Vatsala. He keeps his devotee very close to his heart. And with that mode, the Lord Krishna, he was constantly protecting Arjun. And he's saying that there were great generals on the Pandava side, but nobody could even touch the hair. Baal bhi banka nahi kar paye. That's what he is saying to Yudhishthira Maharaj. So what is Arjun doing? He's constantly thinking of Lord Shri Krishna. And he was saying that even the Angaraj, Karna, when he was, so Angadesh was Bengal, Orissa and Tamil Nadu, the Madras district. That was combined, that was ruled by Karna at that time. So even he, could not defeat Arjun, rather he got killed. And this is again as how Lord saved Prahlad Maharaj from, various kind of attacks. Hiranyakashipu told his soldiers to kill Prahlad Maharaj, who was his own son. But because Prahlad was a devotee, right? Devotee of Lord Vishnu. So that's why Hiranyakashipu, whose father became jealous of his own son. Have you ever heard that? So father, जो पिता है, अपने बेटे को, but उसको कोई भी नहीं मार पाया. इतने अस्त्र शस्त्र यूज किए, उसको माउंटेन टॉप से नीचे फेंका, and mad elephants के बीच में रख दिया, and snakes के बीच में डाल दिया. But again, nothing could hurt Prahlad Maharaj because he was protected by Lord Vishnu, Lord Shri Krishna. So similarly, Arjun is saying that just like that, I was protected. मेरे को भगवान ने इसी तरह से by His grace He protected me, and he was by the benediction of Lord Krishna, he was able to go beyond this material world, and इसमें शीला प्रभुपाद बता रहे हैं प्रॉपर में बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुली that the devotees they are able to attain unimaginable conquest, and he himself is an example. Can you imagine? At the age of 70, 16 and 70, he is going to America. So at the age of 70s, when he was going to America, he was able to make this mission so successful that आज हम आप सब इसकी blessing से, प्रभुपाद की blessing से, under the blessing of his spiritual master and under the blessing of Lord Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, we are able to become aware of Krishna consciousness so that we can be truly happy, not this material happiness. This material happiness is also being revealed by Arjun. इस pastime में कि कैसे after Lord Krishna left, Arjun was given one job to protect the elders, the children, and the wives of Lord Shri Krishna. He was bringing them, but he was defeated by some cowherd men, some infidel men, यानी जिनमें जो कि क्षत्रिय भी नहीं है, just कुछ sticks लेके आए और उन्होंने अर्जुन को defeat कर दिया. And he said, I have the same Gandiva bow, I have the same quiver of arrows, I am the same warrior Arjun, but I was defeated. मेरे को हरा दिया इन ग्वालों ने easily, and they took away all these wives. Now when this reference comes that the wives of Lord Krishna was taken away, there is some contradiction in Vishnu Puran and Brahma Puran, and Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur in his commentary he clarifies it. That once so happened that Ashtavakra Muni was invited by the wives of the demigods in heaven. जब Lord Krishna was about to appear, when that benediction was there, that Bhumi, was feeling the burden. जब Mother Earth जो थी भूमि देवी, वो जब Lord Brahma के पास गई थी कि ये जो demonic kings हैं, they're causing havoc. So it is not that there were too many, the population was there, the population explosion was not the cause. Rather, what was the cause? These were demoniac mentality. They were materialist. People with material consciousness, they were there, seeking sense gratifications, exploiting the resources, exploiting each other. Not just the resources of the earth. If that was the limit, that was okay. But they were exploiting each other. They were making the whole world a hell. Like in current times, we see so many people who are just materially driven. They just think that work is worship, not realizing that actually worship would be when we were to please Lord Shri Krishna. Then it would be worship. On its own, it's not worship; it's material sense enjoyment, that material consciousness, right? So she was asking the Lord Brahma to somehow invoke mercy of Lord Vishnu, so that this burden can be taken away. The burden of the demonic attitude, the mindset, ये जो दुष्ट प्रवृत्ति है, इसको हटाने के लिए. And at that time, Lord, he said that yes, I will appear. So all these demigods, you should go and take birth in Yadu dynasty, among the Yadavas. So the wives of the demigods, they said, oh, many denizens, ladies, they decided that we want to get married to Lord Shri Krishna when he appears. So they invited Ashtavakra Muni. Ashta means 8, Vakra means bent. So his body is bent in 8 places. So because his body is bent in 8 places, we talked about Trivikram, right, earlier. So again in 10th canto her description also comes. So Ashtavakra Muni here, when he would move, it was very difficult. So he moved in a very strange way. So as he was performing the sacrifice, the demigods, they got the blessing. Yes, you will become wives of Lord Shri Krishna. When Lord Krishna would appear, then you will get the opportunity to marry him, and he will marry and he will give you the pleasure, of being your husband. So at that time, they were very happy. Now, sometimes it happens that when we see Hare Krishna, so Ashtavakra Muni, he saw these demigods, the denizens, they are laughing at him because he just to say move kar rahe. So he became upset, and so he cursed them that even though you will be married, तुम्हारी शादी जरूर होगी भगवान कृष्ण से, लेकिन you will be kidnapped. So when they heard that, So these girls, they immediately ask for forgiveness. They satisfied sage Ashtavakra. तो जब सेज शांत हो गए तो उन्होंने कहा कोई बात नहीं, भगवान कृष्ण खुद ही आके तुमको ले जाएंगे, ही विल सेव यू। तो अर्जुन जो बता रहा है, तो एक्चुअली जब डेमीगॉड्स, ये जो वाइफ्स ऑफ डेमीगॉड्स, जो गर्ल्स इन डेमिस एंड द लेडीज, when they were taken away by Bhaumasur, नरकासुर ने जब उनको किडनैप किया था from their father's palaces, तो they were thinking that that was the curse. But actually जब अर्जुन वापस ला रहा था, उस समय ग्वालियर बन के भगवान आते हैं और अपनी सारी अर्जुन को डिफीट करके सारी वाइफ्स को ले जाते हैं. So Lord Krishna, he recovers all his wives through the media of this appearing as cowherd man. So again, similarly, this is Lord's inconceivable potency. Just like previous chapter mein, it is revealed that Lord, by his inconceivable energy, he can relinquish one body and take another body. And Srila Prabhupada did not say that Lord Krishna had material body. Just like some commentators, they say that he had material body, so he left his material body and then he went back home and received another body. There is no difference in Lord Krishna's soul and his body. They are all transcendental and one. So ऐसे में, by the inconceivable potency of the Lordship, by Yog Maya, this pastime has occurred. So Arjun is revealing that I was defeated because now my strength, my valor is not needed. These instruments, these bow and arrows, they are not needed. So I was defeated. So he's revealing that Bhagwan का जो अपना कार्यक्रम होता है, whatever his mission is, that is carried out. Lord's program is carried out. You may have your program, I have my program, but the final program will be executed based on Lord's wishes. So that's why devotees, they are able to achieve amazing feats in their life. So Arjun is revealing that. Okay, and उसके बहुत ही interesting comparisons and analogies Srila Prabhupada कहते हैं. Srila Prabhupada reveal कर रहे हैं कि the godless modern civilization जो है, जहाँ भगवान को नहीं फोकस करते हुए sense gratification को फोकस किया जा रहा है, it is like a child's play. बच्चे का खेल है, कभी भी डिस्टर्ब हो सकता है, right? Adults can come and say, no, you kids go there, everything is cleaned up, done. So child is like Hawaii के लिए बना रहा है, that's what it is like. And it's like putting clarified butter on ashes because it doesn't have any potency. It doesn't benefit the society on its own. And another thing is, like your materialism and sense gratification के लिए different type of efforts कर रहे हैं, that is like sowing seed on barren land. आप जो जमीन है वो खराब है, राइट? वो एंड उसके बंजर जमीन पे आप बीज डालोगे तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, क्योंकि उसमें कुछ उपज नहीं सकता है. Nothing can fructify in that case. The seeds cannot fructify. Or sometimes it appears like they're accumulating money by a magic wand, right? That's why it appears. But in reality, you can't eat gold, silver and all these things. And all these things just raise anxiety in our heart. They don't really give us peace at heart. इसका बहुत ही प्यारा एग्जाम्पल दिया हुआ है. Why devotees take to simple living and higher thinking? एक बार दो दोस्त होते हैं. There were two friends, and from childhood they were friends, and one became very rich, and one stayed poor. So the rich one was Ramnath, and the poor one, the poor friend, his name was Premnath. So Ramnath and Premnath, they were very close friends, and Ramnath would observe Premnath. The rich friend would observe. जो अमीर था वो अपने गरीब दोस्त को देखता था, ये तो बड़ा मस्त राम है, he is fully satisfied. क्योंकि मेरे को इतना एंजाइटी से अपना वेल्थ प्रोटेक्ट करना पड़ता है, ये सब करना पड़ता है, मुझे ऐसा कुछ करना पड़ेगा. He is very happy and I am not so happy. Sometimes this kind of differences thoughts come. So he calls Premnath. He says, my dear friend, I want to invite you for dinner. So he invites Premnath for dinner. And he बोलता है कि मैं तुम्हें कुछ देना चाहता हूँ. प्रेमनाथ बोलता है मेरे को किसी चीज़ की जरूरत नहीं है, दोस्ती बहुत है. क्योंकि धन जो होता है ना वो फैमिली रिलेशनशिप, फ्रेंडली रिलेशनशिप को डिस्टर्ब करता है. तो because we also know that Kali is in the gold in this current age, and that causes kalaha. Kali से derive किया है kalaha, quarrel. So this is the age of hypocrisy, iron age. People's heart becomes like iron; they have become hard. So that's why when we take to Krishna consciousness, the heart becomes mellow, sweet, like butter, sweet butter, like which is the right way we can offer it to the Lordship. So we want to offer our heart in love to Lordship. So रामनाथ जो था वो बोलता है अपने फ्रेंड से, प्रेमनाथ से, बोलता है I want to give you this pot of gold, filled with gold coins. प्रेमनाथ बोलता है I don't need it, but I'm giving you as a gift, you cannot deny it. So प्रेमनाथ says okay, I'll take it. तो प्रेमनाथ ले लेता है. वो अपने कुटी, he was living in a hut, right? So he keeps it in the hut, but then he could not sleep all night. Why? Because I was thinking, I don't have strong walls. If anybody knows I have gold in my house, they will destroy, they will, break the wall, they will come in, they will steal this money, I lose all this money. He had many kind of thoughts. All night, पूरा रात जागता रहता, यही सोचते हुए कोई चोर तो नहीं आ जाएगा, इसको चुरा के तो नहीं ले जाएगा. In the morning, he understands what has happened. He takes that gold pot back to his friend. He says, "Please take it." इस सोने के कारण मेरा सोना छूट गया. Because of this gold, my sleep has gone away. So you keep this gold to yourself and let me sleep peacefully. Let me be happy. That's also one of the reasons. Why? Because devotees, they understand that whatever we have received is not for our enjoyment, it is to please Lord Shri Krishna. So all facilities, everything should be used to please Lord Shri Krishna, to serve Lord Shri Krishna with devotion, with friendly mood. And so ऐसे में भगवान का हमको blessing मिलता है. And so the blessing is in this particular chapter, after Arjun reveals all this, Yudhishthira Maharaj and the Pandavas, they decide that they want to go to Himalaya. So Yudhishthira Maharaj, Vrajanath, the grandson of Lord Krishna, he was able to come back with Arjun. So usko establish करते हैं as the ruler of Dwarka and Mathura. And Parikshit Maharaj ko establish करते हैं on the throne as the ruler of Hastinapur, of his kingdom. Parikshit Maharaj becomes the emperor of the world after Yudhishthira Maharaj. And then Yudhishthira Maharaj and the Pandavas, they take on simple clothes and then they head towards Himalaya. Now there is a beautiful story as how they attain that last journey, and finally they are able to go back home, back to Godhead. We'll cover this story sometime later in another class because it's a beautiful story as how they were able to go back home, back to Godhead. And it is said, Sutta Goswami is saying that whoever hears this pastime of Arjun, remembering Lord Shri Krishna's separation and how everything is possible by the grace of Lord Shri Krishna. So having this firm conviction is very important for us to understand कि जब हम भगवान की भक्ति में लगे होते हैं, जब हम भगवान को प्लीज कर रहे होते हैं, तो हमारे साथ कुछ अनिष्ट हो ही नहीं सकता, हमारे साथ कुछ अनफॉर्चुनेट इवेंट हो ही नहीं सकता है. Because we are in the shelter of Lord Shri Krishna. राखे कृष्णा मारे के, मारे कृष्णा रखे के. When Lord Krishna, he is our Rakhwala, right? He is our caretaker, he is our guardian. Then who can affect us? Who can harm us? And if he is the one who has decided, Mare Krishna Rakhe ke, if he wants to kill someone, then who can save that person? So that is revealed very nicely in this chapter. And we, by taking to Krishna consciousness, by engaging in devotional service, by serving Lord Shri Krishna, just like Arjun was getting all the benedictions, we can receive Lord's benedictions, Lord's blessings. And again, focus should be in the true dharma in this age is threefold. Namaruchi, Jivadaya, Vaishnava Seva. So similarly, when we serve the devotees of the Lord, and the devotees of the Lord are very dear to Him, we get the blessings of devotional service. So whoever hears this pastime, in chapter 15 today, receives the blessing that they will be blessed with Lord's devotional service, the topmost benediction. So, Raj Vidya, Raj Guhyam, Pavitram Idabuttamam, Pratyakshravagvam Dharmam, Susukham Kartum Abhyayam. So, this devotional service of Lord Krishna is Raj Vidya. It is the king of all knowledge, right? To be able to engage in devotional service. Raj Guhyam, it is the greatest secret. It is the secret of all secrets. Pavitram, it is all purifying. Our consciousness purifies and we become spiritualized. So as spiritual beings, we have spiritual experience in this very life, right? In this material world. So we are in the world, not of the world. We are not the material bodies, but we are the spirit souls. Jivera Surupoya Krishna Nityadas. So being situated in our Sanatan Dharma, while carrying out our Sadharma in alignment with Sanatan Dharma, our prescribed duties in alignment with our constitutional position, we can attain perfection and spiritualize our very existence here and now. It simply starts with the chanting of the holy name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. And constantly chanting, glorifying and being friendly to each other. We don't even want to perform Janaparad. We don't even want to offend general populace, other living entities. What to talk about Vaishnava Aparad? Vaishnava Aparad is mad elephant disease. It can completely destroy our Bhakti Lata, the creeper of our devotion. So we have to be very, very careful and very compassionate to all living entities. And constantly serving the Lord and His devotees, we can attain perfection. So that is the blessing. Hare Krishna, dear devotees. Gantha Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, शिला भगवत्पाद की जय, अनंत कौर वैष्णव वृंद की जय। आप सबका स्वागत है, आप सबका अभिनंदन है। आज हम लोगों ने चैप्टर 15 ऑफ फर्स्ट कैंटो श्रीमद् भागवतम करा। The Pandavas retired timely. Timely is also very important because everything should be done at an opportune time. Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा। सो प्रभु जी ने आज श्रीमद् भागवतम के फर्स्ट कैंटो में 15 चैप्टर पर क्लास दी और वी गॉट अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि हम भगवान की कृपा कैसे फील कर सकते हैं, भगवान की ब्लेसिंग्स कैसे ले सकते हैं और फील कर सकते हैं अपनी लाइफ में। सो फॉर व्यूअर्स आई जस्ट पोस्टेड दे कैन आस्क क्वेश्चंस इफ दे हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस। प्रभु जी हैज़ फ्यू मिनट्स, ही कैन आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस। राजू बडोइया, हरे कृष्णा। ऋषभ मिश्रा, आदित्य त्रिपाठी, रंजना दीक्षित, हरे कृष्णा फ्रेंड्स। रघुपति, जया पंदियान, हसमुख पटेल, हरि बोल। दीपेन भुरवा, वनीत अगी, हरि बोल। मोनू शुक्ला, शालिनी शेट्टी, देवाशीष दत्ता, हरे कृष्णा। व्यूअर्स, अगर आपके कुछ क्वेश्चंस हों, आप कमेंट में अपना क्वेश्चन टाइप कर सकते हैं। I can read them to प्रभु जी, he can answer your questions. प्रभु जी ने आज हमें काफ़ी सारे लेसन शेयर किए। चैप्टर 15 जो है श्रीमद् भागवतम का, उसमें काफ़ी इम्पॉर्टेंट बातें डिस्कस हुई हैं और अर्जुन अपने शेयर करते हैं उनके ऑब्जर्वेशंस क्या थे द्वारका से लौटने पे। अपने बड़े जो भ्राता हैं युधिष्ठिर जी के साथ में कली एज के सिम्टम्स डिस्कस्ड हैं, लेकिन इन सब के सिम्टम्स और ओमेंस के होने के बाद भी जो डिवोटी होते हैं वो भगवान में सॉलिड श्रद्धा रखते हैं क्योंकि वो ब्लेस्ड सोल्स होते हैं। देवाशीष दत्ता, शालिनी शेट्टी, मोनू शुक्ला, दीपेन बोरवा, हरे कृष्णा फ्रेंड्स। बिंदु आर्यल, हरि बोल। राजू बोडैया, हरे कृष्णा। तो प्रभु जी, कैन यू कमेंट और शेयर योर रियलाइजेशंस और एनी इंसाइट्स ऑन जब न्यू डिवोटीज इस भक्ति के प्रोसेस को शुरू करते हैं और सरेंडर के बारे में उनको ज्ञान मिलता है, तो उनके मन में एक थॉट जरूर आता है कि ये कैसे पता चले हम कितना सरेंडर कर रहे हैं भगवान को, या ये कैसे पता चले भगवान हमें रेसिप्रोकेट कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, या कितना रेसिप्रोकेट कर रहे हैं।
हरे कृष्णा। सो ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है कि जब नए नए होते हैं, वी वांट टू सी इमीडिएट रेसिप्रोकेशन, राइट? देन वी शुड आल्सो अंडरस्टैंड दैट इट इज us who have to focus, right? So many millions of births we have been doing all kind of material activities, उसके हिसाब से वी हैव टू यू नो अंडरस्टैंड दैट हम लोगों को बिल्कुल डिस्करेज नहीं होना चाहिए. यस, लॉर्ड रेसिप्रोकेट्स इन अ सटल मैनर. ही इज गिविंग अस दिस नॉलेज कि हम उनके पास आ सकें. ये यथा माम प्रपद्यन्ते ताव तथा भजाम्यहम्. Lord Krishna responds to everyone based on individual approach, right? So he is reciprocating. और हम भगवान पर एक कदम रखते हैं तो भगवान 10 कदम रखते हैं. Which means भगवान हमारे को different से blessings भेजते हैं by devotee association, by making us aware that we should chant the holy name, by making us aware the purpose of this life. All these are blessings. अब जब आपको blessings मिलती है तो आप उन blessings को use करते हैं कि नहीं करते हैं, right? आप कोई कार खरीद के आते हैं तो बस ठीक है, आपने कार खरीदी, फिर उसके बाद उस कार को चलाते भी हो, राइट, फॉर द पर्पस यू रिसीव्ड इट. सो सिमिलरली व्हेन यू कम टू नो कि हमें भगवान का नाम जप करना चाहिए, तो यू चैंट ऑन अ डेली बेसिस, यू स्टार्ट चैंटिंग, बिकॉज दैट विल बी फर्दर, यू नो, इट इज लाइक यू इन्वेस्ट अ लिटिल, यू गेट सम रिस्पॉन्स. नाउ यू इन्वेस्ट दैट, जो फ्रूट्स मिले हैं भगवान की भक्ति को लेकर, तो यू गेट बेटर फ्रूट्स. एंड एक्चुअली for the beginners, it has been seen time and again. Okay, they make amazing progress in the beginning, right? So that is constant reciprocation. Why are they making constant progress in the beginning? Because they are looking at all the other devotees as Vaishnavas, right? Exalted devotees of the Lordship. So they don't commit offenses. They are free from such doubts. They are just taking shelter. They are very humble. Right? Tanadapi Sudhechena, Tarorapi Sahishtuna, Amani Namanadena, Kirtaniya Sadahari. So in the beginning stage, this blessing is automatically coming from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to the beginner devotee. That they are very humble, right? More humble than the grass. And you see that in the beginning, the devotees are very humble. And they are very tolerant. You know, they बहुत ही सहनशील होते हैं beginning में. क्योंकि वो सारे वैष्णवों के बीच में जो वैष्णव कहेंगे वही करना है. तो अपने आप they are very easily molded into the form of a bhakta as a devotee. They quickly rise. And बाद में क्यों कभी हर्डल आता है, क्योंकि they start thinking that everyone is like us, then that familiarity breeds contempt. वहाँ पे unknowingly जन अपराध होने लगता है, वैष्णव अपराध होने लगता है. That becomes hurdle. So at all costs we should avoid this jana apradha. We should not even commit offenses to general populace, even to other living entities, like, you know, even for ants we should be very careful. हमें ये सारे अपराध जन अपराध से बचना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए, और इसीलिए जीवो दया बोला है. So again in the beginning itself you are getting devotee association, you are getting opportunity to chant the holy name. Please chant, please rise and avoid any offenses. Hare Krishna. So Bhagwan is reciprocating based on our surrender. So the more we surrender, the more is the reciprocation. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhuji. So that was nice insight on how do we know if Bhagwan will reciprocate, या how much he is reciprocating. और इस सब भक्ति के process में we have to be careful about any अपराध or offenses we do. मनोज कुमार दिलदार, अलिया उची, हरे कृष्णा friends. हरी बोल. अगर आपके कोई क्वेश्चंस हैं आप क्विकली कमेंट्स में लिखिए. आई विल रीड देम टू प्रभु जी. वी हैव ओनली फ्यू मोर मिनट्स रिमेनिंग. सो प्रभु जी, अभी एक नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये है कि सो वी हियर अ लॉट ऑफ लेक्चर्स ऑन सरेंडरिंग, टेकिंग शरणागति ऑफ भगवान, एंड मूड भी बताया जाता है. ह्यूमिलिटी का मूड होना चाहिए, ग्रैटिट्यूड होना चाहिए, सिंसेरिटी होनी चाहिए, और डिवोटी एसोसिएशन भी बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. तो आप कुछ रेफरेंसेस दे सकते हैं कि भगवद गीता में कहाँ पर भगवान ने ये टीचिंग्स दी हैं अर्जुन को कि शरणागति क्यों लेनी चाहिए और उसके क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं.
पहली ब्लेसिंग to switch from material consciousness to Krishna consciousness, जो भौतिक जगत में जो ये प्रत्येक गुणों में the three modes of material nature में जो फंसे थे, उनके लिए बहुत ही सिंपल भगवान ने इंसाइट दिया है. देवी ह्येषा गुणमयी मम माया दुरत्यया मामेव ये प्रपद्यन्ते मायामेतां तरन्ति ते. जो मटेरियल एनर्जी ऑफ माइंड भगवान कह रहे हैं, अर्जुन को बता रहे हैं, तो मटेरियल एनर्जी जो ये माया है, महामाया इस भौतिक जगत की, इट इज हिज एनर्जी, उनकी बाहरी शक्ति है, एक्सटर्नल पोटेंसी. एंड दुरत्यया, It is very difficult to cross over. जैसे ये इस भौतिक जगत को, इस material universe को ocean of nations भी बोला जाता है. Then how can you cross over this ocean of nations? You cannot swim across this easily. Duratya, very difficult. Mamevi prapanyanti. But those who surrender unto me, माया में ताम तरंती, तो जो भी मेरी शरणागत होते हैं वो आसानी से इसको तर जाते हैं, because it becomes the size of a calf's hoof print. And you can easily jump over the calf's hoof print. जो बछड़े का पच्चीन होता है वो तो बहुत छोटा सा होता है, उसके across jump करना बड़ा easy होता है. And भगवान किस तरह से सरेंडर करना चाहिए ये भी बताते हैं. There are 4 aspects to it. मन मना भव मद भक्तो मध्याजी माम नमस्कुरु मामे वैश्यसि सत्यंते प्रति जाने प्रिय असि में. मन मना, always think of me. मद भक्तो, become my devotee. मध्याजी, worshipping. Mam namaskuru, paying obeisances unto me. You will come back to me, he is saying. And so ये भगवान कृष्ण बता रहे हैं, because we are very dear to him. इसलिए भगवान कृष्ण हम लोग को डायरेक्शन बता देंगे. 4. And then final instruction भगवद गीता में है 66th verse of chapter 18. सर्व धर्मां परित्यज्य माम एकम शरणं व्रज अहम त्वां सर्व पापेभ्यो मोक्षयामि मा शुचः. सर्व धर्मां परित्यज्य, give up all varieties of religion. He's saying abandon them, not just give them, completely छोड़ दो. बाकी सारा कर्म योग में लगे हुए हो, ज्ञान योग में लगे हो, ध्यान योग में. These are different various yogic practices to correct. देखिए ये बहुत ही troublesome है. Simple is devotional service. Whatever you do it as an offering to please Lord Shri Krishna. भगवान ये भी बताते हैं कैसे प्लीज करना चाहिए. यत् करोषि यदश्नासि यज्जुहोषि तदासि यत् तपस्यसि कौन्तेय तत्पुरुषो वदतो. भगवान कृष्ण बता रहे हैं अर्जुन को कि all activity, जो भी हम क्रियाएं करते हैं, we can act with body, mind and words, right? All 3 ways as we serve. All activities should be dovetailed to please Lord Shri Krishna. They should be taken up to please Lord Shri Krishna. So भगवान बताते हैं कि अब हम की शरण लेते हैं तब हम शरणागत होते हैं. हरे कृष्णा.
हरे कृष्णा. दैट वाज वेरी नाइस. प्रभु जी ने अभी एक्सप्लेन किया कि सरेंडर या शरणागत प्रोसेस में क्या वर्सेस में लॉर्ड कृष्णा ने भगवद गीता में टीचिंग्स में हम सब के लिए डायरेक्शंस दी हैं. हम भगवान को सरेंडर कैसे कर सकते हैं, सरेंडर के क्या स्टेप्स हैं और भगवान के क्या एश्योरेंसेस हैं. हरे कृष्णा व्यूअर्स, अगर आपके कोई क्वेश्चंस हो आप टाइप कर सकते हैं. वी हैव वन मोर लास्ट क्वेश्चन टू गो, अदरवाइज बिफोर वी एंड द सेशन. हरि बोल. रचना महाजन, गुरुदास अरवरे, हरि बोल. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
Actually, you asked for Bhagavad Gita, the devotee asked for Bhagavad Gita reference, otherwise there is also another very nice reference. The 6 limbs of Sharanagati, right? The 6 limbs of surrender. Anukulyasya sankalpa. अनुकूल यानी जो कि फेवरेबल है, राइट? तो ऐसे काम करना जो कि हमारी डिवोशनल सर्विस के लिए फेवरेबल है. अनुकूल्य से संकल्प. संकल्प इज लाइक आवर एंगेजमेंट, आवर डिटर्मिनेशन टू एंगेज इन डिवोशनल सर्विस. भक्ति में जो हम लगना चाहते हैं, भगवान को जो खुश करना चाहते हैं भक्त बन के, उसके लिए जो अनुकूल है, जो फेवरेबल है, हम वो एक्टिविटीज करें. प्रतिकूल से वर्जन, जो भी अनफेवरेबल है वो हम नहीं करें, उसको छोड़ दें, उसको अबैंडन करें. लिटरली दैट्स व्हाट लॉर्ड कृष्ण इज सेइंग इन 66 वर्स, कि जो बाकी दूसरी क्रियाएं हैं उनको अबैंडन कर दें, केवल भगवान की भक्ति में लगे. प्रतिकूल से वर्जन एंड रक्षित सफित विश्वासो. Understanding and having firm faith that Lord will provide protection. Gop Titve Varnam Tatha. And Lord is our guardian. Accepting the guardianship of Lord Shri Krishna. Atma Nikshipa. Surrendering everything to please Lord Shri Krishna. Karpani in a humble mode. So these 6 limbs are the limbs of Sharanagati. Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा. थैंक यू वेरी मच. सरेंडर के प्रोसेस में फर्दर प्रभु जी ने और अच्छा इंसाइट हमें बताया कि हमें सरेंडर प्रोसेस में क्या जानकारी, नॉलेज पता होनी चाहिए, उसके 6 लिम्स क्या हैं, और इसकी फर्दर डिटेल्स प्रभुपाद के बहुत सारे पर्पट्स पे हैं. और एक्चुअली प्रभु जी सरेंडर या शरणागति पे क्लासेस भी दे चुके हैं और फिर से भी देंगे. उससे हम रियली बेनिफिट कर सकते हैं। गणपत सिंह जी ने वेरी गुड बोला है। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर लिसनिंग एंड योर कमेंट एंड अप्रिसिएशन। फ्रेंड्स, आपके अगर कोई और क्वेश्चंस हो, नहीं तो देर इज़ वन मोर क्वेश्चन। सो ये पूरी गीता सुनने के बाद एट ए हाई लेवल, यानी इतनी डेप्थ में शुरू में किसी को नॉलेज समझ में नहीं आती है, पर ये समझ में आ जाता है कि हम ये बॉडी नहीं है, वी आर नॉट द बॉडी, वी आर द सोल। इसको हम हमेशा याद कैसे रख सकते हैं? क्योंकि जब हम शास्त्र का श्रवण करते हैं, हमें समझ तो आ जाता है, लेकिन थोड़ी देर बाद हम ये सब भूल जाते हैं और टोटली भौतिक इच्छाओं के पीछे लग जाते हैं, अपनी लाइफ जीने लगते हैं। सो आर देयर एनी टिप्स फॉर दैट?
Yes, we have to actually understand the full formula. We have only understood the very beginning if we think that I am not this body, I am a soul, right? So that is the very beginning. वो अध्यात्म ज्ञान का बिल्कुल पहला अक्षर की तरह से है कि ये बिल्कुल बिगनिंग है कि हमें ये समझ में आया कि आई एम नॉट दिस बॉडी, आई एम दिस सोल। लेकिन अब सोल है, अगर हम जीव तत्व हैं, तो व्हाट डज इट मीन? जीवेर स्वरूप है कृष्ण नित्यदास। तो अब ये समझना चाहिए कि हम इटर्नल सर्वेंट ऑफ लॉर्ड कृष्णा, राइट? नित्य दास, ये नहीं कि सुबह के या एक दिन के दास, नहीं, हम नित्य दास, वी आर इटर्नल सर्वेंट। तो जो दास होता है वो अपने स्वामी की हमेशा सेवा करता है, राइट? तो हमारा फिर वो धर्म बन जाता है कि हम भगवान की सेवा करें, लेकिन उसको प्रॉपर अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ करें। तो प्रॉपर अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए हमें आचार्यों की शरण लेनी पड़ती है, हमें स्पिरिचुअल मास्टर एक्सेप्ट करनी पड़ती है, बिकॉज दैट इज तद्विधि। वो तो प्रोसेस भगवान खुद बताए कि वी हैव टू टेक शेल्टर ऑफ अ बोनाफाइड स्पिरिचुअल मास्टर, परंपरा में जो होते हैं। एंड देन वी शुड फोकस इन सर्विंग लॉर्ड श्री कृष्णा। And when we are serving Lord Shri Krishna, we should be abhideya. कैसे सर्व करेंगे? The 9 process of devotional service: श्रवणम, कीर्तनम, विष्णु स्मरणम, पाद सेवनम, अर्चनम, वंदनम, दास्यम, साख्यम, आत्मनिवेदनम। So the 9 process of devotional service, उनमें एंगेज होना चाहिए, तभी हम फाइनल गोल अचीव कर सकते हैं। We can go back home, back to Godhead, when we attain the love of Godhead. Hare Krishna. So these whole formula should be understand. Sambandh, our relationship; abhidheya, the process; prayojana, the goal. So the goal of life is to go back home, back to Godhead. And जब आप मैनेजर बनना चाहते हैं तो आप मैनेजर की तरह काम करना चाहते हैं, जब आप इंजीनियर बनना चाहते हैं तो आप इंजीनियर की स्ट्रीम पे सीखते हैं, डिसिप्लिन में स्टडी करते हैं और उस पर एक्ट करते हैं, राइट? एज यू प्रैक्टिस। सो सिमिलरली जब आप you want to go back home, back to Godhead, then you perform activities that the residents back at Godhead they are perform. जो वैकुंठ के वासी हैं, जैसे वो एक्ट करें, आप उस तरह से एक्ट करते हो, which is in devotional service. हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्णा। सो क्वेश्चन था कि गीता की ये जो नॉलेज है कि हम ये बॉडी नहीं है, हम सोल हैं, इस नॉलेज को समझने के बाद हम क्यों बार बार भूल जाते हैं ये जो गीता की टीचिंग्स हैं। इसके लिए प्रभु जी ने इंसाइट दिया है कि ये नॉलेज को कम्प्लीटली समझना ज़रूरी है। हमें समझना चाहिए कि एज ए सोल हमारा भगवान से क्या रिलेशनशिप है और क्या प्रोसेस फॉलो किया जाता है हमारा अल्टीमेट गोल अचीव करने के लिए। अल्टीमेट गोल है परम धाम, टू अचीव द लव ऑफ गॉड। और ये पूरी क्लियर अंडरस्टैंडिंग एक गुरु की शरण में जाकर उनको सर्व करने से हमें ये नॉलेज धीरे धीरे रिवील होती है, और भक्ति इज़ द प्रोसेस। सो दिस इज़ रियली हेल्पफुल। एंड लेट मी चेक प्रभु जी इफ़ देयर आर फर्दर एनी मोर क्वेश्चंस। प्रभु जी ने आज कैंटो 1 में चैप्टर 15 में बहुत ब्यूटीफुल टीचिंग्स बताई कि किस तरीके से हम भगवान की ब्लेसिंग्स को अपने हार्ट में फील कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि उसके बाद तो हम लाइफ की कोई भी सिचुएशंस को डील करने में सक्षम फील कर सकते हैं अगर हम में स्ट्रॉन्ग फेथ हो। सो हमें और इस वक्त कोई और क्वेश्चंस नहीं दिख रहे हैं प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा। ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्रील भगवत्पाद की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, निताय गो प्रेमानंदे। हरि हरि बोल। हरे कृष्णा।